Hey everyone, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock incognito tabs when you close Chrome. So go to the Google Chrome app, and from here, you want to go and locate the three dots, which is going to be in the bottom right area, depending where you have it, but just find the three dots. For me and mine, it's on the bottom area. So click on three dots, and then go ahead and go to settings, which is a gear icon. Settings is near the top, and then from here, you're going to be directed to the settings section, and there's different sections for the settings. And you want to go and find privacy and security, which should be like a blue shield. It's going to have like a shield icon. Then from here, you want to go down and find the lock incognito tabs when you close Chrome. Mine is currently disabled. You want to go ahead and enable that, so go ahead and tap on it. Now to enable this, obviously you need to enter in the iPhone passcode for Chrome. So there we go. So now we have it enabled. So now we can go on and just press done. Once you're done doing that, having it enabled and entering the passcode, and we're going to show you how it works. So basically we go ahead and just, open up an incognito tab here. All right, so here it is on an incognito tab. Let's say I just turn off my phone, turn it back on. You can see that I need to unlock this with the passcode, but I can go to the enable tabs. But when I go in the incognito section, I cannot access or see anything until I unlock it with a passcode. So I have to go ahead and enter in the iPhone passcode for Chrome. So we're going to unlock tab, and there we go. We have access to the incognito tab again. Or turn off my phone, do it again. As you can see, you always have to unlock with the passcode when you turn off your phone or go off Chrome. So that's how you do that. And locking incognito tabs. Subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. I'll see you guys next time.